The home was to be used as a holiday home, and the site, with incredible almost 360-degree views, really meant that our response was to do something that could take second place to where we were. The outdoor room really is the most flexible space in all weather conditions, being able to be closed down or opened up with sliding screens on all sides. We kept the material palette fairly neutral, with the greying off of the cedar weatherboards and the white neutral interiors, just so that we could rejoice in the beauty of the gardens that surround this property and have been so beautifully maintained, and the views out to the hills beyond and the ocean. We hid all the gutters and downpipes behind a timber rain screen, and anything that was going to be a distraction from these simple forms, we tried to eliminate. And I think that's part of the success of this building, that it does feel quite streamlined and simple.